Good morning, children. After the explanation of chapter number 9 in grammar, has, have, had, is, am, are, was, were. Now we will do this exercise in grammar textbook. So, are you ready? Open page number 6060. Everybody open page number 6060. Let's do. Read the passage below. Underline the verbs that say what belongs to whom. Here the passage is given, children. We have to read it and we have to underline with the verbs has, have, had, where it is there in the sentence, in the passage. There we have to underline the verbs. Okay, so shall we start? First one has been done. See, I have a bicycle. So have is a verb, have, have. I have a bicycle. It's a birthday gift from my mother. Who gave the bicycle? Mother. As a what? As a birthday gift. I had a tricycle last year. So last year it is. So we have to underline HAD, had. My new bicycle has a front light. So HAS, has. Underline HAS, has. It is talking about his new bicycle. The light has, 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 a blue glow. My mother has a pink basket. I think it will be a good idea to fix to the bicycle. I have a cat. I shall put her in the basket for a ride. Now you can see over in the passage we have underlined have, had, has. Over here where it is necessary we have to underline the verb. Now complete this sentence to say who has or had what. Now over here we have to complete the sentence from the passage. What, who has or had. First, I have a bicycle and a cat. So here the child is talking about himself. तो वो क्या बोल रहा है कि उसके पास बाइसिकल है और कैट है. Next, the bicycle has a front light. Is describing the bicycle. Bicycle के front में क्या? It has a front light. The light has a blue glow. और लाइट कौन सी कलर की है? ब्लू कलर की है. It has a blue glow. D. My mother has a basket. Which color basket? Pink basket. So my mother has a pink basket. So let's learn. Look at this sentence. The fishermen in India and Sri Lanka have finished boats. My mom has a boat with her with 3 colors. Mori has a boat with 3 colors. Sugya has a boat with many colors. Now we see what is the 3 sentences 1, 2 and 3. What do have and has tell us in the above sentence? They tell us what the fisherman, Mori and Sugya own or have. 3 sentences जो है fisherman, Mori और Sugya हमें वो बताते हैं कि उनके पास क्या चीज़ है उनकी और क्या है. Look at more example of the functions of has and have. हमें और example देखेंगे has और have के. We use has and have to mean suffer from. Suffer from. I have a bad cold. She has a headache. यहाँ पे हम हमारे बारे में बताते हैं कि मुझे बहुत ही बुरी सर्दी हुई है. I have a bad cold. She has a headache. और उसको सिर दर्द हो रहा है. We use has and have to talk about a fixed program. Example, teachers have meeting in the afternoon. He has an English class every day. Has and have can be used to talk about food and drink. I have a light breakfast every morning. Mom has a coffee after dinner. Let's practice. Fill in the blanks with have or has. I have a computer. I is what? A singular. So it will be HAVE, have, first person. My aunt has a yogurt for breakfast. So again my aunt is what? singular, so it will say my aunt has a yogurt for breakfast. Three number, you have many books. You is what? Singular also and plural also, and it is in the last, it says books, so you have many books. We have two cats. Two cats is plural form, and we also we use for plural form, so we have two cats. 5 number, he has a lot of work to do. 6 number, we have a holiday next week. 7 number, she has a new hairstyle. 8 number, she has no time to chat with us. She is what? Again a singular, so we'll use has, has. I have a warm sweater. For I, it is a singular only, it is talking about self only. I have a warm sweater. 10 number, my grandparents have breakfast at 8 in the morning. My grandparents, it is talking about grandparents, so have. He has an alarm clock. He is a singular, so has. They have many toys. They is also plural and toys is also plural, so it will be they have many toys. So once again, I have a computer. My aunt has a yogurt for breakfast. You have many books. We have two cats. He has a lot of work to do. We have a holiday next week. She has a new hairstyle. She has no time to chat with us. I have a warm sweater. My grandparents have breakfast at 8 in the morning. He has an alarm clock. They have many toys. Use have, has or had correctly in the blanks below. Now what we have to do? We have to use have, has or had correctly in the blanks below. First number is already done. Dad usually has biscuits with his tea. Dad usually has a biscuit with its tea. I am sorry, but I have to grow now. I am sorry, but I have to go now. Dima has his driving lessons every day. Dima has his driving lessons every day. He had a maths test yesterday. He had a maths test yesterday. The match had all the excitement. We enjoyed ourselves till the end. The match had all the excitement. It is what? It is a past tense form. That the match had all the excitement. We were watching till the end. My sister has won many prizes. She is the best badminton player in our district. My sister. It is not plural form, it is only singular. So it will be my sister has won many prizes when she was playing in the district level. I have an interesting book to read tonight. She had a cold, now she is better. They have rice for dinner every day. They have rice for dinner every day. Why we have used have over here? Because it is plural form. It is talking about more than one person. So they have rice for dinner every day. We'll read once again. Dad usually has biscuits with his tea. I'm sorry, but I have to go now. Dima has his driving lessons every day. He had a maths test yesterday. The match had all the excitement and we enjoyed ourselves till the end. My sister has won many prizes. She is the best badminton player in our district. I have an interesting book to read tonight. She had a cold, now she is better. They have rice for dinner every day. Next page. Page number 63. 63. Now over here is what? Past form. Here we had seen the sentences in the present form. Over here. Now we see the verb is, am, are and was, were are used in sentences. You have used all this before. Look at the given example. प्रेजेंट फॉर्म में इज़, एम और आर आता है. प्रेजेंट फॉर्म में सेंटेंसेस किस तरह से बनते हैं? दिस इज़ माई फ्रेंड, ही इज़ इन माई क्लास. हम अभी की बात कर रहे हैं कि ये मेरा दोस्त है, ये मेरी क्लास में है. आई एम न्यू टू दिस स्कूल. माई फ्रेंड्स आर वेरी नाइस. सो इज़, एम, are what? All are present form. They are all present form. And past form में it will be what? Was and were. I was 6 when I came here. Miss Tagore was my class teacher last year. Was का हम क्या बना रहे हैं? जो past में हो चुका है. Were. My uncle and aunt were with us yesterday. They were here for my birthday. My uncle and aunt were with us yesterday. Yesterday यानी जो दिन बीत चुका है वो हमारे साथ थे. और वर क्यों लिखा गया? क्योंकि अंकल एंड आंट मोर देन वन पर्सन, दे आर 2 persons. और दे वर हियर फ्रॉम माई बर्थडे. और दोनों जन अंकल एंड आंट, 2 people were there for the birthday. So past form is what? Was and were. Now we'll do this exercise. Let's practice. Use is, am, are, was, were correctly in this sentence below. Look at the forms mentioned in the bracket. Here in the bracket is mentioned that this sentence you have to make it in past or present. आपको past में बनाना है sentence या present में बनाना है. ब्रैकेट में उसका दिया गया है. past form, present form. फर्स्ट वन, चमेली वॉज इन हर ऑफिस. वॉज हमने क्यों लिखा? बिकॉज हमें पास्ट में एक बनाना है तो हमने वॉज का यूज़ किया. द कैट एंड द डॉग इन द गार्डन. पास्ट ही बनाना है लेकिन दे आर 2 people, कैट एंड द डॉग, दे आर 2 animals, राइट? सो विल यूज़ वर. मोर देन 2 are there, more than 1 is there, so we'll use were, W-E-R-E, were. So the cat and the dog were in the garden. C. The thief was behind that house. So again this is past, so it will be the thief was behind that house. D. I am Raj. Why I've written am over here? Because it is present form. Priyanka and I are friends. Again this is present, so I'll use are. Priyanka and I. The umbrella was colorful. Was why I've used? Because it is in the past we have to make. Jim and John are standing with their aunt. It is present form. So, but 2 persons are there, Jim and John. So we will use A-R-E-R. These are my friends. Again, this is present form. So we'll use A-R-E-R. These are my friends. They are nice girl. Again this is in present form. So what we'll use for the present? They are nice girls. The children were in the shop. Now it is past कि बच्चे कहाँ पे थे? तो बच्चे शॉप में थे. तो it will be were and the children. It is plural form. So it will be W-E-R-E, were. He was a teacher. पास्ट हमें बनाना है तो क्या? वो पास्ट में टीचर था. नाउ ही इज़ अ राइटर. फर्स्ट वो क्या था? टीचर था. अभी वो क्या? लेखक है. अभी वो राइटर है. हमें इसको प्रेजेंट में लिखना है तो हमने इज लिखा. और यहाँ पे पास्ट पूछा गया है और ये ही सिंगुलर है तो हमने क्या यूज़ किया है? वॉज. वी वर हंग्री. अभी ये पास्ट में हमें लिखना है और क्या है? वी है. वी इज़ अ प्लूरल, सो वी के साथ क्या आएगा? W-E-R-E, वर. वी वर हंग्री. So it is past. So once again we will read. Chameli was in her office. The cat and the dog were in the garden. The thief was behind that house. I am Raj. Priyanka and I are friends. The umbrellas was colorful. Jim and John are standing with their aunt. These are my friends. They are nice girls. The children were in the shop. He was a teacher. Now he is a writer. We were hungry. We'll go to the next page. Page number 6464. Mr. Saho is funny and nice. Why written is because it is present form. It is a present form. So is. My brother is 2 years. Why? Because again it is a present form. The camels are tired. Again I've written are. Why? It is plural form. The camels. So it is present form. They were in the sun for the whole day. We have to make it past. So it will be were. So once again we will read. Mr. Saho is funny and nice man. My brother is 2 years old. The camels are tired. They were in the sun for the whole day. Now pick the correct word from the bracket to fill in the blanks. Now in this bracket, words are given. We have to select correct and fill up the blanks. In the previous exercise, what it was? It was we have to correctly look at the sentence and mention what is given in the bracket. Looking in the bracket, present है या past है, वो हमें उसमें लिखना है ब्रैकेट में. इज़, एम, आर, वॉज, वो लिखना था करेक्टली. जो सेंटेंस नीचे गए हैं ब्रैकेट में जो मेंशन किया है वो हिसाब से. और ये जो एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2 में कि हमें ये वर्ड्स सिलेक्ट करने हैं, दोनों में से कौन से सही है और ब्लैंक में लिखने हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट वन, आई एम ए बर्ड. तो हमने क्या लिखा है? एम, ए एम, एम. माई होम इज़ अ नेस्ट. तो इज़, ऑल दिस आर प्रेजेंट, सो इट विल बी एम इज़. माई बर्ड्स आर इन द नेस्ट. Birds, it is a plural form, so it will be are. My birds are in the nest. They have soft feathers on their wings. They have soft feathers on their wings, so it will be have. They have tiny beaks. They have tiny beaks. My friends were in the next tree. Were. Why? Because it is plural form, so and it is friends, so it will be were. They, my friends, were in the next tree. They had their nest there, so they had their nest there. One of them was very chirpy. Was. She was a cheerful bird. Was went into past form. All the other birds were happy to listen to her song. So all other birds were happy to listen to her songs. Her nest is empty now. I don't have my friends around. Have. But I am happy as I have many babies with me. I have my babies with me. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise of has, have, am, has, have, had, is, am, are, was, were, chapter number 9. You have to do this exercise in your grammar textbook with neat and clean handwriting. With neat and clean handwriting, children, write in your grammar textbook only. Thank you.